Hi, today I'm running the POCO X5 Pro and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first, let's open the settings app and then scroll down to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see notification sound section. Just tap on it, and if you want to use the another notification sound, for example the online one, you should click the notifications section. Also, if you want to use the just default sounds from your device, you should switch ringtones to profile, tap to ringtones and select one from these available sounds, for example this one. Then just tap to apply, tap to OK. Now we can see that this sound applied successfully, so let's go back to the sounds and vibration section and we can see that we just changed successfully our notification sound. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.